Some things to keep in mind as your kids prepare to head back to school. Heading back to school can be exciting and stressful. Parents can help by keeping routines consistent, listening to their child's concerns, and encouraging positive connections with classmates and teachers. Back to school also means back to germs. Teach children to wash their hands before eating, after recess, and after using the restroom to help prevent illness. Back to school also means more kids on sidewalks, buses, and crosswalks. So slow down while driving, stay alert, and watch for children in school zones. A good night's sleep helps kids focus and perform better in school. Most school-aged children need 9 to 12 hours of sleep each night. And if your child is packing lunch, don't forget to include fruits, vegetables, protein, and whole grains to keep kids energized throughout the day. A balanced lunch supports learning and growth.